Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. Okay, this week we are reading and finishing the story How to Catch a Star. When we're done reading, you can find a worksheet in your folder about furniture. Furniture are lamps, a chair, a table, and a bed, everything inside your house. What I would like you to do is everyone by themselves do the worksheet for next week. Okay? You can also, if you want, do a picture of your bedroom and then send me the picture. Okay? See you all in the next video. Bye!